Right, so what is this? Who makes this? This is a Bandit, did you say?
This is an FVK Bandit
FVK,
dog.
yeah.
This has got a lump of a mega motor in the front, big can, and what must be about a 10-inch prop. Can't see.
Number of cells?
Only 3 cells, but it goes like a rocket.
Yeah, nice.
Like that. Straight up. It.
Nicely done.
There we go.
So the noise on the passes is the wind over the wings, the air over the wings, and then the flutter. You can hear the flutter. Is that the prop folding back?
If it hasn't folded back, if you're going too fast, it doesn't fold back quick enough, and the magnets aren't strong enough to hold it back, so it's still rotating slightly. And there's my little trick for landing. So
you put the ailerons up.
A little bit of spoilerons.
Spoilerons up.
So fly like that, come in landing like that, slows it up nice.
Because I remember you didn't used to do that. It came in like a bullet, didn't it?
Yeah.
You almost had to start way out beyond those trees.
Yeah. Yeah.
But that slows. I mean, you didn't actually do a circuit. You just landed it straight up.
Kills the lift. And,
nice one.
Yeah, good.
Well flown. Thanks for that, Al. Nicely done.